Hello, this is Anthony, and today I'm continuing with the discussion on the Mezintel Depth Tracking System, and the topic of interest today is on Ethernet communication via the TELNET Protocol. So what you see there is the window of the Mezintel Depth Tracking System software running on the hosting PC, and to be able to do the WITS out communication via the Ethernet protocol, you'd first visit the WITS context or the WITS tab here, and you'll find that there's a data stream which is a WITS based data stream, zero based WITS. All of the codes start with zero there, so that's a time based WITS, and there's one WITS code which is a timestamp, the 0106, and at this point you'll see that the timestamp is changing by 4 seconds on each iteration. So that's 22, and then it's going to go to 326. This confirms that the data stream is alive and being produced by the system. Now, to demonstrate how you send the data out using the Ethernet protocol, you'll go to comms. And over here, be sure that you're looking at the Ethernet context. And this particular application is running on the host PC, therefore connecting to the data server is via the generic address localhost. And the port number is 3077. Now, the actual address of the PC on which this application is running is 192.168.1 and 208. So another PC can get the WITS data that we were looking at here using these credentials, and I will demonstrate that by bringing up a tool which is available on the internet called Hercules. It's called Hercules, supplied by the HW group, and there's going to be a link in the description below on how to download this free tool. Now, you can assume that this tool is running on another computer, and because it's Ethernet, you can actually run it on the host computer as I'm doing right now, or you could run it on a different computer, and this demonstrates that you will get the same data. Now, you're going to go to the TCP client here, and you're going to enter the IP address, which is already entered, in this case ending with 1208. You can see it's right there, and then the port number for the telnet is 3077. So at this point I can click connect, and immediately the software will connect to the data server of the depth tracking system, and the data will be transmitted or received on the receiving computer, as can be observed here. This is the client, right? So this is how you would send out data. Normally it is ready to go. It's just waiting for a connection from another third-party computer which is in the same subnet, right? This means that any computer on site can connect to get this WITS protocol via Ethernet Telnet from the Mezintel Depth Tracking System immediately. And this concludes how you'd use Ethernet Telnet to broadcast data, and how you can prove that the data is receivable at the other end by launching this test tool right here.